Hey there. Let me walk you through the OKX Exchange platform a little bit. I'll show you how to set up an account. I'll explain the KYC and the two-factor authentication, and also I will mention where to find the restricted countries. Restricted countries where the services of the OKX might not be available. First of all, OKX is one of the most popular platforms in the industry. As you see, it's very comparable with Bybit. This is just a monthly search volume over time in Google. OKX blue compared to Bybit in red. That means that the OKX platform is getting more popular. One of the reasons why the OKX is a popular platform is they are transparent about the assets. In this table, Crypto Exchange Assets Transparency, we see that the OKX holds position number 2 with assets more than 28 billion. Now when we learn a little bit about the OKX, let me show you how to create the account. It's a very easy process. Go over here to sign up. You can create your account using email address or with your already existing Google account, Apple account, Telegram, or using a wallet. Let me type in the email address. Referral code is optional, so you don't have to fill it out. If you have one, you can use one. You might find one in the description below, and just click on sign up. You have received the email code. This is how the email looks like. You can just copy the code and paste it over here. And it asks you also for the telephone number. Click on verify now. The code expires in 5 minutes, so make sure to hurry up. And you need to make sure that your residency is the same as the one on your ID. Create your password. And voila, your OKX account is set up. As I mentioned in the beginning, you want to make your account secure, so that's why I go to Profile, Security, and here you see the list of pending security features as a passkey, Authenticator app, and anti-phishing code. First of all, let me show you how to set up the Authenticator app, also known as a two-factor authentication. This basically adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you have your Google Authenticator app on your phone, you need to sign up using your Google account, the same that you used while signing up for the OKX platform. And then you can scan the QR code whether you have Android or iOS. If that doesn't work, instead of scanning the QR code, you can add the key. Here is your setup key. You just type it on your mobile phone manually, and right after that, the Google Authenticator on your mobile phone will show a 6-digit code. So you can then set up your key, write down your setup key to recover it in case you lose the access or you may change the phone. And the third step, you'll receive your 6-digit code via phone and the app code. As we see, the list of pending security features is down to 2. You can also set up your passkey or anti-phishing code. Here is the complete procedure how to set up your passkey. To take the full advantage of the platform, you also need to do your KYC, meaning you need to verify your account. You can either do it as an individual or an institution. To identify, you need to provide them with your ID and selfie and personal information. First, you need to choose your country of residence and then type of the ID. You can use a driving license, national ID, or passport. Here you have the QR code. You have to scan the QR code using your phone and it will open up a browser window. From there, they'll ask you to take a picture of your driving license in our case, or ID card, depending on what you have selected in the step before. This is just to verify your identity. After that, they'll ask you to take a selfie to make sure that you're the same person in the ID picture. Once you're done, it only takes about 2 minutes for them to verify everything. Once you're verified, you can use all the features on OKX. Let me also show you the list of countries where the services are limited. You go to the OKX/help/terms of service, and if you scroll down here, you see that not all services are available and some of the services may be restricted. Here is the entire list as of valid right now. This was updated in April 2024. You will find this link below. So that was it. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.